Hello, good morning everyone and welcome back to our live. Dito na tayo sa pinaka-exciting part ng ating season, ang championship game. This is the battle between the Ateneo de Manila University versus our very own, the Xavier School 2015 born division. Ayan. Sino kaya ang tatanghalin kampiyon? Siyempre, wala lang iba kundi ang ating Xavier School. Let's go, Xavier. Kalaban natin ang, if I'm not mistaken, the defending champion, the Ateneo. Malalaman natin yan maya at tayo magsisimula na para sa ating laban. Good luck, boys. Good luck, PM. Let's go. Muli shoutout po to all the parents of our Xavier School. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta at pag-call po sa akin. Ayan. Good luck po. Let's go. First ball makuha ng ating Xavier School. Here comes Andres. Pass to Mateo. Floater. Basket is good. The first basket mula sa ating Xavier School. Number 25. Number 24, 4-3. No good. Rebound. Serapika and one. Oh, sorry, that's Enriquez.
Hey! Push him out! Push him out!
Shot for Enriquez. Basket. Oh. Torres. Oh, what a hustle. And that's a jump ball. Walang pupunta sa Ateneo. Gets the three, no good. Rebound. And that's a jump ball. Ateneo basketball. Enriquez. The number 33. Okay, sa corner. Pull up. No good. Rebound again ng Ateneo, but just stepping on the line.
Don't get hit by the screen! Don't get hit by the screen in the middle! Pakita, Mateo! Up!
Torres looking for his teammate. Pass to Andres. To Pope. Pass to Mateo. Mateo and gets the foul. Number 30. Torres, pass to Andres. Andres looking for his teammate. Pass to Pope. Torres with the Hesi. Catch and shoot by Mateo. Oh, correction, that's Andres Poblador. Change favor. Balik sa atin ang alamangan. Number 30. Steal by Enzo. Pass to Pope. Torres. Back to Andres. Andres to Enzo from the corner. Jam shot. No good. Rebound by Enriquez. Pass to number 24. At naitawid ng Ateneo. Number 33. Pass to number 24. To number 31. To number 30. Basket is good. 5-4. Enzo. Ayan na. There's a foul. Nagiging aggressive dito ang Ateneo. Mainit na panimula para sa Ateneo. Andres. Oh, bad pass. Steal by number 24. Pass number 30 to number 33. Block by Pope. Number 30 for the putback. 7-4. Let's go. Torres. Natahan na bola. Pass to Mateo. Mateo with a strong drive and gets the foul. 2 shots for Mateo Merchant. Go, 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 go. Substitution. Coke coming in. 6 minutes and 23 seconds. Mateo. First shot. Miss. Let's go, Mateo. No good. Rebound and gets... Liao coming in for Enzo. Saber School Basketball. Call looking for his teammate. Sino bibigay? Bad pass. Pass to Cole. Merchant to Torres. Torres. And a double team. Tira. Cole, 4 shot. No good. Rebound ng Ateneo. Number 23 to number 33. Binigay sa corner. Palma for 3. 2. No good. Enriquez with the rebound. Binigay sa corner for 3. Wala. Another offensive rebound for Ateneo. Number 25. Too strong. Rebound by Torres. Torres. Naitawid. Torres with the Hesi. Gustong atakihin. Binigay sa corner. Liao. 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 33. Number 33. Nagmamadali. Number 33. Pass to. Back to number 33. 4-3. And gets the 3-point shot for Ateneo. Mateo. And there's a foul. Time remaining 4 minutes and 55 seconds. 2 shots lang daw po yan. For 9-4. 5-point lead. Para sa mga lang white shirt. Torres. To Zach. Back to Pope. Torres. Hesi. Kick out. Liao. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Oh, miss. by Stephen. Ayan na, nagmamadali ang Ateneo. Number 33, pass to number 34, to number 24. Pass to Serafica. Spin, drive, too strong. Rebound by Torres. Let's go, Torres. Pope, Hesi. Pope, pass to, back to Pope. Torres. Tigay. Cheng for 3. No good. Rebound by Serafica. Here comes the Ateneo. Number 33 to number 24. Pinasa sa corner. Pass number 24. What a ball movement. Number 30 for 3. No good.
And another foul. Sub.
Paulino, Cheng, and Yao coming in for Pope, Legarda, Enco. Shooting the line, number 30. Foul. Penalty. Ateneo. Sa penalty situation. Cheng on the free throw area. Shot para kay Cheng. No good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Ateneo basketball. Ateneo. To Serafica. Cross-court pass. Number 26. Binigay sa corner. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Son. Pass to Cheng. Pass to Enzo. Fake. Enzo drive. Gets the foul. Substitution. Ivan Yao for Mateo Marchan. Oh, good. One more, Enzo. Made it. Let's go, Enzo. Second shot for Enzo. Miss. Rebound. Steal. Recover ang Ateneo. To number 33. Pass to Serafica. Back to number 26. Number 40, drive, basket. Cheng. Marchand, drive, no good, rebound. Another foul for Ateneo. On the free throw area, Mateo Marchan. First shot is good. Let's go, Mateo Marchan. 2 for 2. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Ayan na ang Ateneo. Number 33. Running shot, basket. Well recover, Enzo. Running shot, blocked by Serafica. Out and pass. Number 33, strong drive, no good. Rebound by Magnus. Pass to Mateo. Mateo nagmamadali. Mateo all the way. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Number 40, pinasa loob. Miss and gets the foul.
Let's go!
Sese coming in.
Okay lang. Basta kami malaki. Short stop.
Let's go, Xavier. Serafica. Basket.
Down here.
Sese. Pass to Pope. Pass to Marchand. Marchand. Floater. In and out. Rebound. Sese. Ooh. Miscommunication. Makuha natin Neo. Steal by Cheng. Cheng. No good. Rebound again by Cheng. Cheng. Basket. Down by 6. 16-10. Let's go. Ayun na, double team. Number 30. Pass to Serafica. Spin. Running shot. And gets the foul. Both teams under penalty situation. Time remaining, last 16 seconds. Shooting the line, jersey number 37. Serafica. First shot is good. Second shot, miss, rebound. Number 40, fade away, miss, rebound by Torres. Torres, pass to Marchand, bad pass, steal by Ateneo. Number 26, to number 36, 4-2. Alright, and that's the end of our first period. Official score 17-8-10 in favor of the Ateneo. Alright, we're going to the second half, second quarter. Lamang ng pito ang Ateneo. Let's go, Xavier. Let's go. Second quarter.
Side, Mateo!
Serafica, what a ball movement. Pass to Serafica. Strong drive. At nakapasok dun. Si Tyler Serafica.
Sino foul? Sino foul?
Ay. Who's foul red? Ay. Sese, running shot, and one. For Sese. Foul number 37. That's Tyler Serafica. One shot for Sese. Oopsie. Ateneo basketball, steal. Merchant, 3 against 1. Mateo gets the foul. By Mateo. Mateo Merchant on the free throw area. Second shot for Mateo Merchant. Let's go, Mateo. Oh, no good. Rebound by Enriquez. And now Ateneo. Number 26. Number 30. Number 30. Basket. Let's go, Xavier. Oh, and a stepping on the line for Pope Torres. Sub. Enzo Yao coming in for Pope. So guys, Jay Bauer. Let's go. Hand off. Number 26. Pass number 30 to number 31. Okay, sa corner. Pull up, miss, rebound. Pass to Andres. Andres nagmamadali. Andres, dire-diretso. Running shot, miss, rebound. Walang tawag. Another rebound by Stephen. Merchant, bad pass. And gets the foul by Stephen Legarda. (22-12). Number 40, pass to Enriquez. Number 40, the ball movement. Tadeo for 3, miss, rebound by Zach. Sese, spill, may number 24, out and pass. Tadeo nagmamadali. Tadeo with the easy two. Lumalaki na po ang kalamangan ng Ateneo. 24-12. 12-point lead para sa Ateneo. Time remaining 7 minutes and 44 seconds ng ating first half. Let's go, Xavier. Shout out kay Idol Loki Cruz is watching, and kay Sir Anthony Cruz. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Another championship game na naman ang ating masasaksihan dito sa ating Xavier School. Good luck to our team. Back to the ball game. Xavier School basketball. Full court defense ang Las Ateneo. Torres looking for teammate. Pass to Andres. Munti ka na magawan.
Here, inbound here. Good, banana.
Andres.
Good, great, go.
Pass to Enzo. Liao, spin. Pass to Liao. Fourth jump shot. No good. Out of bounds. Same ball. Andres looking for his teammate. Kanya ibibigay. Pass to Stephen. And there's a foul. Number 25. Stephen Legarda shooting for two. Second shot, miss. Rebound ng Ateneo. 1 for 2. 13-24. Down by 11. Steal by Enzo. Yao nagmamadali. Enzo using the glass and gets the foul. Good job, Enzo. Made two. Shooting the line, Enzo Yao on the free throw area. First shot is good for Enzo. Down by 10. Enzo, 2 for 2. Timeout, Ateneo. Down by 9. 24-15. Napaka-supportive na parents. Good morning sa inyong lahat. Let's go, Xavier! Ayan, good morning po sa ating napaka-supportive mom and dad. Nandito tayo ngayon sa championship game ng PAE League. Let's go, Xavier! Six minutes and 55 seconds para sa ating second quarter. Tadeo, hand off to number 33. Number 33, jump shot, no good. Rebound by Torres. Torres. Munti ka na magawan. Torres. Rehesi. Torres. Drive. Bounce pass. Stephen. Block. Naka-recover ang Ateneo. Oh, steal by Andres. Bad pass na lang. Nabitawan. Bola mapupunta sa mga nakaputi. Number 24 to number 25. Handoff to Palma. Pass to Tadeo. Double. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. 26-15. Andres. Pass to Torres. Torres. Handoff to Andres. Andres. Back to Torres. Binigay sa corner. Enzo. Catch and shoot. Yes, sir. For Enzo Yao. Down by 9. Let's go, Xavier. Palma. Ayan na. Binigay. Enriquez. Strong drive. Iba na ang malaki. Let's go, Xavier. Torres. Pass to Yao and gets the foul. Even Yao on the free throw area. Pwede na. Sub. Shooter. On the free throw area, number 10, Liao. Let's go, Ivan. Wala. Kailangan, let's go. Take time. No good. Rebound. Ayan na, nagagawan. Let's go. Huli. Nakalusot. Palma, nagmamadali. Number 30. Dire-diretso. 30-17. Lamang pa rin ang Ateneo. Let's go, Andres. Andres. Pass to Texon. Using the glass and one. Basket count and one for Texon. Down by 11. No good. Four minutes and 14 seconds. Ateneo basketball. 5 seconds. Night ng Agis. Enriquez steal. Pass to Hernandez. Block. Paulino. Basket para kay Magnus. Paulino. Uy, hand check para kay Texon. Ateneo basketball. Steal. Palma, bad pass. Xavier School basketball. Mateo, pass to Hernandez. Back to Mateo. Mateo cross. Mateo drive. Block. Rebound. Makakuha ng Ateneo. Number 24, nagmamadali. Ayan na. Dire-diretso. Block. Good defense for Hernandez. Substitution. Time remaining 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Shua coming in. Number 25 to number 26. To number 25. Oh, gets a foul. Number 7. Quality to Enriquez. Drive, basket. Pass to Mateo. Mateo. Hesi. Block by Enriquez. Cheng. Running shot. No good. Rebound ng Ateneo. Pass number 26. Number 40. Number 31. A strong drive. Mateo. Uy. Advance. Backcourt violation.
Sub.
Let's go, Xavier. Enriquez to number 25. Catch and shoot. No good. Enriquez. Wala pa rin. But this time, same ball.
Sub.
Timeout, Ateneo. 1 minute and 39 seconds. Let's go, Xavier. Back to the ball game. Ateneo basketball. Nasa corner. Jump shot is good. Let's go, Xavier. Torres to Enzo. Cut and shoot. Bang! 3-point for Enzo Yao. Palma, binigay, catch and shoot, in and out, rebound kay Tyler, using the board, no good, rebound by Torres, drive, oh, there's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 8, that is Pope Torres. First shot is good. Time remaining, last 53 seconds. Torres, second shot. Basket, 2 for 2. Baba sa 10. 10-point lead para sa Ateneo. Serapika, wala. Rebound by Torres. Torres. In and out, pass to Cheng. Crossover, pass to Pope. Back to Enzo, 4-3. No good. Rebound by Cheng. Cheng gets the foul. Penalty. Sub. Sub. Pasok. Shooters. Zach Cheng on the free throw area. Time remaining, last 27 seconds. First shot is good. Let's go, Cheng. Ako.
Sira ng motor.
Okay na po. Two for two by Zach Cheng. Last 27 seconds. Let's go. Xavier. Ayan na. Number 28. To number 26. Oh, double. There's a foul. Sub. Okay lang yan. Let's go. Both teams under penalty. Sub. Later. Pumana check. Yeah.
Box out! Vicky, kabila ka! Tuwid! Andres and go, crash!
No good. Rebound. Sub. Let's go. Time out, Ateneo. Last 15 seconds. Sorry po. Let's go. Last 15 seconds. Sub.
Wait lang. Ayaw lang muna. Pababa ka.
14 seconds. Last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good defense. And that's the end of our first half. Fisher score at 36-28 in favor of the Ateneo. Ayan, babalik po tayo for the second half. Magkakapumana tayo for the meantime. Hanggang sa muli.